Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make carrot chips. First, gather about 1 pound of fresh, firm carrots. You'll want to wash them thoroughly and then peel off their outer skin. This ensures a clean and crisp chip. While you're doing that, go ahead and preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Getting the oven ready early helps streamline the entire process, so your delicious snack will be ready sooner than you think. Let's get slicing next. Now for the crucial step of slicing. Use a mandoline or a very sharp knife to cut your peeled carrots into super thin, uniform rounds. Aim for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Consistency is key for even baking. Next, transfer these delicate slices to a large bowl. Drizzle them with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then sprinkle with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Toss everything gently to ensure every chip is perfectly coated. It's time to bake. Carefully arrange your seasoned carrot slices in a single layer on 2 large baking sheets. Make sure they aren't overlapping, as this allows for optimal air circulation and crispiness. Place them in your preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to flip the chips halfway through the baking time to ensure even cooking on both sides. They are ready when they are slightly browned and wonderfully crispy. Once your carrot chips are beautifully baked, remove them from the oven. The most important step now is to let them cool completely on the baking sheets. This cooling process is essential because it allows them to crisp up even further, transforming them into that perfect chip texture. Once cool, they are ready to enjoy. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their crunch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.